Do you ever wonder how Elon Musk plans his massive goals? From building rockets to electric cars and AI, he doesn't just dream big, he plans smart. In this video, I'll show you how to plan like Elon Musk, using simple steps that even a stick figure can follow. Elon Musk doesn't start with a small dream. He begins with something that sounds impossible, like colonizing Mars. But here's the trick. He breaks that vision into small, logical steps. You can do the same. Ask yourself, what is my Mars? What's the biggest thing you want to achieve in your life? Most people think by comparison. It worked before, so I'll copy it. But Elon uses something called first principles thinking. It means breaking a problem into its most basic parts, and then building your own solution from zero. Instead of asking, how can I make a car better? He asked, what makes a car move? Then he rethought the whole system and created Tesla. Musk plans his days in 5-minute blocks. Every moment has a purpose: work, rest, learning, or thinking. That's how he manages multiple companies at once. You don't have to be that extreme. But if you just plan your day by hours, you'll already be ahead of most people. Elon thinks 10, even 50 years ahead, but he acts now. He says, if something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are against you. So don't wait for the perfect time. Plan your future. Then take one step toward it today, even if it's small. You don't need to be Elon Musk to plan like him. You just need clear goals, deep thinking, and consistent action. Remember, big results come from small, smart steps. So grab your stick plan and start building your future, one line at a time.